welcome back. Today we're going to be going through how to make a low tox makeup brush cleaner. So mine are disgusting, so we're going to go through that and show you how well this stuff really cleans them. We are going to be going through and making a natural low tox makeup brush cleaner. So this is well overdue job that I haven't done in a while, so I'm bringing my brushes straight to you so we can go through it and show you how we clean them. So all you need is a clear bowl. This is what everything's going to be mixed into that you will clean your brushes in. So a clear bowl, you're going to need some cleaner concentrate. So this is a doTERRA's On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. It is fantastic for cleaning everything, so I find it is really good for my makeup brushes, so that's why I say to use this. If you don't have this, fractionated coconut oil will suffice to break down the grease and grime in your brushes. So what we're going to do is 3 tablespoons of On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. So 1, 2, 3. This stuff is a staple in my home. As you can see, I buy this every month because it cleans everything. So that's why it's so low. So 3 of those. So 1.5 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. Oop. I have a pump bottle on, so it takes a little while longer. So 1.5 of fractionated coconut oil. Now you can add in any essential oils like lemon, tea tree, frankincense even, to purify your brushes, because what happens when you're using your makeup brushes all the time, you're obviously getting the grease from your face, the grime from, you know, your makeup, and bacteria also lives in here. So if you're finding you're getting lots of breakouts in your skin and you're trying everything, it could be your makeup brushes. So they might need an antibacterial thing. So the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate has On Guard Essential Oil Blend in it, which means it is going to be very antibacterial. That is why I use this. If I'm not using this and just the fractionated coconut oil, I will pop a couple of drops of lemon oil or tea tree oil in there just to give them a really good clean. But with this, I don't have to. So we have the mixture in there. I'll mix it around just a little bit so it's all mixed up. And then all you have to do is pop your brushes in. So I'm going to start with, let's go with foundation brush because they're always a bit gross. So this is what it looks like. You can't see that from there, but all right, let's go a foundation brush because they tend to get the most grimiest and caked, let's say. So all you want to do is just pop the brush bristles into your cleaner, give it a little roll around, and you can start to see the colours changing. The foundation is coming out. Now I haven't used this brush too much, usually it would have a lot more in it, but it's coming out already. And after you do that, I just get a paper towel and I give it a wipe. So just squeeze the bristles, and as you can see, it is pulling the makeup straight off of the brush. So I hope you can see that. So yeah, and now my brush is left nice and clean. You can rinse it off in some water. So I've just got some water here in this little container, so you can give it a rinse, and that will just leave the brushes feeling really nice and soft. And the same thing, squeeze out any residue and again that's pulled out some more. So you can do this a couple of times in a row if this is like really caked on, but otherwise I have a nice clean fresh soft brush. So I just do that with all of them, and again I have a nice clean beautiful brush ready to go. So I just pop them down on a little towel so they can air dry a little bit. I can push out any more water on them just by using the towel, but I just let them air dry just so they are ready to go for the next run. Another way you can do this is by putting all of your brushes in to soak a little bit, and that kind of gets the job done really quickly. So you soak them and then you do the same thing, washing them out with the paper towel, just getting rid of any residue, rinsing them off and putting them on to dry. You can also use that mixture for cleaning any makeup bags, or I cleaned a makeup bag the other week because it was just caked, like on the inside had foundation through it, a bit of mascara had gone through, so that was like a totally different color. So I just popped that into a bucket with some On Guard cleaner concentrate and water, and I soaked the makeup roll with it. So that came up really beautifully. It had makeup caked all over it. That was like orange, where now it is a beautiful beige again. So you can use the same cleaner concentrate to soak your accessories as well, and it will bring off any greasy, grimy, gross residue. Also, if your makeup station is really stained with like mascaras and blushes and everything, foundation on your bench, you can use this or this to wipe it down as well. So just as simple as putting it on a paper towel, literally just pouring it on and wiping your benches, and that will bring up any makeup that is stuck on your benches. So now we have some beautiful clean makeup brushes ready to go for tomorrow's makeup application. They look beautiful, they smell good, they feel good. It's done a wonderful job at cleaning them up, and I hope you guys have the same response with yours as well. So I will pop in the description box where you can get these. I will add the links, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your beautiful, nice brushes. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do weekly videos that will be much like this. I do vlogs and other videos as well. So would love to have you around, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.